In this tutorial I will show you how I animated these energy drinks product ads posters using PixVerse, the AI video generator. By the way, don't forget to check out tutorial on how I generated these product posters. Open your browser and search for PixVerse. You will need to log in here first. In basic plan we get initial 60 credits when we log in and 60 daily credits. Click on Create. Go to Image or Text section. Here are some videos which I have already created. And this is the prompt which I used. Now I will show you how to create such using different image. Follow these settings. From here upload the image. Follow these settings. Paste the prompt here. I had provided prompt in description. Click on Create. Within few seconds video gets generated. You can download image from here. Now to remove watermark, search for 123 apps. Click on Remove logo for video. Upload video file here. Make selection on watermark portion. Left click and drag to make selection. Play video to check preview. If you find it okay, click on Apply. Click on Save. Then export video. This is the final result we got. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.